Okay, so let's look at how Swychr works. So once you've downloaded Swychr from Google Play or App Store and you open, this is what you're going to see. And you can click here to learn more about Purple Coins and how everything works. And after the tutorial, you'll be directed to this screen where you can either sign in or sign up. So if you're going to sign up, let's say you don't have an existing account, you will click on sign up and you just need to enter your first name, last name, email address. Then you select your country of residence. At the moment, you can create an account from 177 countries. So because I have an account, I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in. So I'll enter my email address. And yep, I'll go ahead and sign in, and I will receive an OTP by email. So with my registered email ID I just entered. So I got the OTP. My OTP is 8459. So I'm going to verify myself and refresh my account. And you can see my transactions in and out. And you can see I have 240 purple coins left. We also have a menu option here, which is very useful, but most things can be done from this interface. So the first thing is, let's assume that I had 0 coins and I want to buy some coins. So all I need to do is go ahead and choose where I will select United Arab Emirates, and I will enter 1000 coins. And once I do that, you see it tells me that I need to pay 1000 AED. Let's assume for a minute that I rather want to buy from India, because at the moment we've been able to enable purple coin purchases in 2 countries, Cameroon and India. However, we are working hard to make purchases available or possible in more jurisdictions in the months or weeks ahead. So if I select India and I enter 1000 coins, you see it's going to tell me how much I'm going to pay in India's local currency, which is the Indian rupees. So you can see it gives me the value of the coins in different currencies. So I'm gonna go ahead and say I want to buy from the United Arab Emirates, and then I will just say, I will change the amount to say 2000 coins, and you can see it has adjusted how much I'm supposed to pay in AED. Then I'll go ahead and click on buy. So once I do that, it brings me here. I can either use the card details that I've stored before, or I can use a new card. My name is already there. I just need to fill my card number and so on and so forth, and I can go ahead and perform my purchase. And once I do that, my account will be credited. So that's how you get purple coins. Now let's go to purple coin transfers. To transfer purple coins is quite easy. I have 240 coins. Let's assume I want to transfer 35 coins to George, for example. I'll go to transfer, and all I need to do is enter, and I will do a transaction now actually, so we can see how it works. So let me look for, so now I will go to the mobile number, and I have to enter the mobile number of the person that I want to send coins to. And in this case, I want to send this coins to my good friend George. So I will say his number is 678. And by the way, by default is Cameroon, but you can select any other country. So you can transfer coins to, at the moment we've enabled transfers to Cameroon, to India, to Nigeria, and within the United Arab Emirates. So George is in Cameroon. So I'm going to click, I'm going to, enter his number, which is 678060884. Okay. And then I'll enter his email address. I'll enter his email address, which is eno george 38 at gmail.com. Okay, George 38. Then I'll enter his name, George. Then I'll enter his address. I'll say Boya, Cameroon. Okay, then I'll click on next. Ask me how many coins do you want to transfer. I want to send him 35 coins. Let's make it 35, and I'll submit. So transaction done. your transaction have been placed successfully. So you can see I had 240 coins. Because I sent him 35 coins, now I'm down to 205. So that's how coin transfers work. Now let's look at withdrawals. Now there are two things. Now once I send these coins to George, he can withdraw the value of these coins in his local currency into his mobile money account, into his bank account, whatever is available. Now you can also, another way of doing the withdrawal, like if I wanted to just send money directly to George's mobile money account or into his bank account without the need to transfer him coins, I can just click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, you have total control. You go, withdrawals are available in 3 countries: Cameroon, India, and Nigeria. And again, we are working hard to add more countries to this list. So if I wanted to just withdraw directly into George's mobile money account, that's also possible. Instead of sending him the coins, I would have just come to withdrawal, and I choose Cameroon, and then I enter, I want to withdraw 35 coins, right? And then you see now the gateway charge is 2.2 coins to withdraw 35 coins. There's no fee for transfers. We only charge at the level of withdrawal. So now I will just go ahead and click on next, and it asks me, how do you want to send the coins to George? I'll say I want to send to him by mobile money, right? How do you want to withdraw the value of the coins? I'll say I'll do that by mobile money. I'll go to next, and all I need is his name, his account name, which is Eno George Agbo, and then his mobile money number, which is 678060884. Then I will submit, and withdrawal is done. See, withdrawal request has been placed, and you can see that the value of the coins have gone down. So this is how simple it is. All you need is an email address to transfer money using Purple coins from anywhere in the world to Africa and between African countries. This is the mission that we are on, and yeah, it's this simple. In few steps, transactions are approved and settled within minutes. So yeah, this is how Swychr works.